All right, thank you very much. We'll take the next question from you, sir.
Good afternoon. My question lang is, in terms of region sa Pilipinas, ano yung region na pinaka-best na nagpuproduce ng coffee and anong variant ang tinatanim nila madalas?
As far as the PCQC is concerned, sa Robusta category, dominated practically ng Ilocos Sur. Pero, so based on last year's results, ang number 1 at saka number 2, Sultan Kudarat. Pero, from number 3 hanggang doon sa dulo, puro Ilocos Sur. Okay? Sa Arabica naman, it's dominated by Davao region. And last year, parang 2 spots yata ang na-occupy ng Bukidnon. May isang Cordillera na pumasok last year. Dalawang Cordillera, 2 Bukidnon. The rest, Davao region, yung mga Tapo area. So as far as PCQ is concerned, yun yung best. Pero magandang tanungin si Champ Kevin kasi sa perspective ng isang roaster, coffee shop owner, tsaka barista champion, yung perspective naman.
Same din sa sinabi ni Doc Mel. Pagdating naman sa coffee shops at mga baristas, ginagamit namin mostly yung kung alin din yung mga nagkakaroon ng awards or sino-sino yung mga nagkakaroon ng quality competitions na awarded. We also support them. So kung ano yung mga regions na nasabi ni Doc Mel, like Bukidnon, Apo, Benguet, lahat yan is may potential to be.
Sir, question lang. Do you see any other region na pwedeng maging potential plantation ng coffee?
Madami. Actually, pati nga yung mga, if there's one thing about coffee growing, is that there are no stereotypes for where to grow them. Kasi pag uma-attend nga kami ng mga courses sa coffee production, sinasabi ng mga instructor sa amin, yung Yemen nga bato yung bundok na matatarik, tapos bato pa. They're producing really good coffees with good volumes then. So paano pa tayo generally anywhere in the Philippines, good yung soil, weather, nasa tropical region tayo, so weather climate-wise pwede. So it's just a matter of, if you're going to fine-tune nga lang, to answer that question in a fine-tune manner, the proper way is to have your place evaluated for suitability. Suitability in terms of ano yung klase ng soil meron doon sa lupa mo, ano yung soil chemistry, yung general weather, year-round weather. At most likely, ang sasabihin sa iyo nung nag-evaluate, it's not going to be pwede or hindi pwede. It's going to be pwede to pero Robusta. Pwede to pero Excelsa Liberica siguro. Pwede Arabica. Pwede ganitong specific variety ng Arabica. Ganon. So, suitability is generally favorable for the Philippines. But you might want to fine-tune kasi gugustuhin mo na ma-maximize mo rin yung production mo. Kasi kung nagtanim ka doon sa lupa mo ng isang uri ng kape na hindi best suited para doon, hindi mo ma-maximize yung yield mo sa quality.